Hello, my beautiful people. How are you doing? Hope you are good. So, today I'm going to take you around my truck. I'm going to show you how to shift Shacman F2000 420 horsepower. How to shift the gear for us like a boss, eh? This Shacman has 9 gears, and most of the drivers, they don't know how to handle the gear. So this Shacman is different from other Chinese truck and some American trucks. This particular truck is fast gear, and if you are not an experienced driver, you cannot float its gear. What I mean by gear floating is when you don't use the clutch to change gears after you accelerate, right? So that is what is called gear floating. So in this particular truck, if you are not an experienced driver, an expert is, you cannot float the gear. You are going to be double clutching, and some people don't really know what is double clutching. So one in, one out. As soon as you're shifting your gear, you shift your gear, one clutch, you put it one clutch. So that is what it means to be double clutching. While some expatriates don't do that, but this China truck, most of the time it requires you to double clutch so that you don't damage your clutch plate. Well, I'm going to really show you that how to change the gears from 1 to 9. Maybe next time I will show you down there what happens there in the clutch, so that you will really get use of this truck, and you will love it, because this particular truck is very, very nice, and has the capacity of pulling about 35 to 40 tons of load. So I really love this truck. I really love the truck. So stay with me while I show you some stuff, eh? Just start like this. Just pedal them down.
For your leg side. For your leg now.
You pedal them both this side where they shift the steering. Alright, this is gear 1.
Gear 1, yeah.
2, 3, 4, 5. You spin your gear. 6, 7, 8, 9.
Okay.
Complete. I won't go there. Press the red.
No, don't press it.
1 here. 2. You have to be very fast while changing your gears. 5. You pin your gear. Return it back to 2, 6, 7,